If you've ever wanted to build a website but felt overwhelmed by design tools, code, or endless templates, this video is for you. Right now, AI website builders are exploding in popularity. Two names keep coming up again and again: Lovable AI and Framer AI. Both promise the same thing: tell us what you want, and your website appears. But they are actually built for very different types of people. So in this video, I'm breaking it all down. What each tool is really good at, where each one struggles, which one is best for beginners, which one is better for creators, startups, or businesses, and most importantly, which one you should actually use. This is Lovable AI versus Framer AI. Let's get into it. What AI website builders actually do. Before we compare tools, let's get clear on something. AI website builders do not magically replace thinking. They replace friction. Instead of choosing templates, adjusting layouts, writing copy from scratch, tweaking spacing and fonts, you describe what you want in natural language, and AI handles structure, layout, initial copy, design logic. But how much control you get after that? That's where Lovable and Framer differ dramatically. What Lovable AI is about. Lovable AI is built around conversation-first website creation. You don't start with templates. You don't start with design panels. You start by talking. You describe who the website is for, what the product or service is, the tone you want, the goal of the site. And Lovable responds by generating pages, copy, and call to actions. What Lovable AI feels like. It feels like chatting with a smart assistant, brainstorming out loud, turning ideas into structure. It's very friendly for non-designers, non-technical users, entrepreneurs with ideas but no website experience. Lovable strengths. 1. Extremely beginner-friendly. If you can explain your idea in plain English, you can build a site. 2. Strong copy generation. Lovable is excellent at homepage messaging, value propositions, simple product explanations. 3. Fast ideation. It is great when you are still figuring things out. You can refine your site by continuing the conversation. 4. Low intimidation factor. No heavy UI. No complex settings. It feels approachable. Lovable also has clear limits, less visual precision, fewer advanced animations, less control over micro-design details. It's about clarity and speed, not pixel perfection. Framer AI. What it is. Framer AI comes from a design-first background. Framer was originally a professional design tool. The AI was added to speed up what designers already do. Instead of chatting, you enter a short prompt. Framer generates a visually polished site. You then refine it using a design interface. What Framer AI feels like. Framer feels like a modern design studio, a creative canvas, a tool for people who care deeply about aesthetics. It is ideal for designers, creators, startups, marketing teams. Framer's strengths. 1. Beautiful design by default. Layouts look modern, clean, and professional immediately. 2. Advanced animations and interactions. Scroll effects, transitions, micro-interactions. This is Framer's home turf. 3. High control after generation. You can adjust layouts, typography, spacing, components. 4. Production-ready websites. Great for portfolios, landing pages, and startups. Framer limitations. Steeper learning curve, more design decisions required, less conversational guidance. If you don't enjoy design tools, Framer may feel overwhelming. Head-to-head comparison. Ease of use. Lovable AI, 5 stars. Framer AI, 3 stars. Lovable wins easily here. It is designed for people who don't want to think about design. Design quality. Lovable AI, 3 stars. Framer AI, 5 stars. Framer produces more visually impressive sites out of the box. Next one, speed. Lovable AI, very fast. Framer AI, fast but requires tweaking. If you want something usable immediately, Lovable is quicker. Customization and control. Lovable AI, limited but simple. Framer AI, extensive and flexible. Framer is far better if you want control. Best use cases. Lovable AI is best for solo founders, non-tech entrepreneurs, coaches and consultants, early-stage ideas, personal projects. Framer AI is best for designers, creators, startups, agencies, brand-focused businesses. Real-life scenarios. Scenario 1. You are a solo entrepreneur. You just want a clean website that explains who you help, what you offer, how to contact you. You do not want to design. You do not want complexity. Lovable AI is the better choice. Scenario 2. You are a creator or startup. You care about brand identity, visual storytelling, credibility, modern design. You want your site to stand out? Framer AI is the better choice. Scenario 3. You hate blank pages. Lovable helps you think. Framer helps you design. If you struggle with messaging, Lovable reduces mental friction. Which one should you use? Here's the simplest way to decide. Choose Lovable AI if you want less stress, more guidance, faster clarity, minimal design decisions. Choose Framer AI if you want better visuals, more control, professional polish, design flexibility. There is no best tool. There is only the best tool for where you are right now. Final thoughts. AI website builders are not about replacing creativity. They're about removing friction. Lovable removes friction from thinking. Framer removes friction from design. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to AI Productivity, and let me know in the comments. Which one would you choose, Lovable or Framer? See you in the next video.